Well, I've had a bit of an interesting evening. So at the moment we're doing a show, The Little Shop of Horrors. And for the show I created a pre-show titles thing. There's a prologue, and basically it just starts off with a load of text scrolling up, very Star Wars-esque, with the whole going into the background, stars and everything. And that was running from my Mac, from my computer, to go on a projector. And when we went down to the theatre last night to plug it in, it wasn't working. Because actually, it's actually I'm running it from Boot Camp using Windows 8, because for some reason or another, every time I try to export it from Adobe Premiere, which is the program I use to make and edit videos, and yes, I know it's not, but anyway, regardless. So every time I tried to export it, it kept crashing. Sorry, I don't mean crashing. There was a bug, or a glitch, or whatever you want to call it, and there was a certain sort of effect that didn't happen properly when exported. It ran fine in the timeline within Adobe Premiere. So the way I got around that was I just hooked up the projector to the computer and used the projector as the display screen, a DV screen, whatever they call it, playback screen. That's it, playback monitor. And that worked quite well last weekend and during the rehearsals. No problem, not with performance issues or anything. But for some reason or another, yesterday I tried to boot into Windows 8 and it just did not boot up. Now, I have VMware Fusion, and that may be part of the problem, because that allows you to boot into Boot Camp as if it was a virtual machine. So you can have one Windows 8 to use as a physical machine, and a virtual machine. So, and it booted up into the virtual machine, sort of okay. I had to run a restore thing. Restore back to a previous state or whatever. But that didn't fix it. That wasn't the issue. Because when I tried to boot natively again, it didn't want it. Now, I'm slightly annoyed because what has also happened, I have two hard drives, or two storage disks in my Mini. I've got an SSD which the operating systems both sit on, and I've got the original hard disk drive which I have Time Machine backup and random data storage. Now, that second hard disk has only been in there for less than a week, so it hasn't yet backed itself up, or I haven't yet backed that up. But the strange thing is, it's on the same hard disk as the Time Machine. It's a partition split into two. Time Machine works fine, but this other disk is exFAT, so I can use it both in Windows and Mac, but it won't mount, which is annoying me at the moment. But the worst part is, the very little data that is on there is incredibly important data. It's raw capture footage that I haven't yet edited, which is annoying, and I don't know if I still have it on another machine, because I captured it on my work machine, but because of the large files I couldn't keep it on my work machine, so I copied it over to this hard disk. And yes, what I should have done straight away, I should have put it on my backup, on my network's hard drive. But I haven't, because I haven't had it, it's not been there that long. I didn't expect to lose it, 5 days later. So, I'm a bit annoyed. I say a bit, I'm very annoyed. I'm hoping I can get that data back. I'm not too concerned about Windows 8 not booting, because I can reinstall that. Well, I can reinstall it, but I might have to wait before I can activate it again. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. Yeah. So yeah, I'm in a situation where I have data which I cannot access at the moment. Fun times. So, moral of the story: no matter how old your data is or how young your data is, make sure you have a backup of it, because I don't.